How to change message color on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Search. Then, go to the search bar at the top and type in text color. Scroll down to view the results and tap on any app that you like. For example, color text messages. Here, tap on Open to open the app. On this page, tap on Clear at the top. Then, tap on the Random button as shown to get a random text background. Tap on it to type in a message and then tap on Send. Here, type in the name of the person you want to send the message to. After that, tap on the arrow button below to send the message. You have now successfully sent this colored message to this person. Go back and open the Messages app to view it. Following these steps, you can easily change message color on iPhone.